What's the meaning of care worker? Care worker. Care worker.
Care worker. Care worker. A care worker is someone who provides assistance and support to individuals who require it due to age, illness, or disability. They may work in a variety of settings, such as hospitals, nursing homes, or private residences. Care workers may help with personal tasks, such as bathing or dressing, or provide emotional support and companionship. They may also administer medication or assist with mobility. The role of a care worker is crucial in ensuring that those in need of care receive the necessary help and attention to lead fulfilling lives.